All right, first thing we're going to do is learn how to build the 6 stack. You have 6 cups right here, 3 and 3. You're going to reach down and you're going to use your pinky to feel, and you're going to pick up 3. With your other hand, you're going to pick up 2, again using the pinky. Then you're going to drop 1 on each side to build the bottom, drop 1 on each side for the second story, and place the last one on top. And then we're going to take it down. We're going to do both hands at the same time. This hand's going to come this way. This hand's going to pull this way, nice and lightly, not hard. And then we put them up, pick them all up, put them in the middle. Now when we do the 6-6, 3, 2, drop, drop, drop. Then we go over here. 3, 2, drop, drop, drop. Then we got to go back over here to start over again. Pull down on top. Pull down on top.